तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे सेकंड यूनिट सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, जो कि सेकंड चैप्टर है सोशियोलॉजी का। तो इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ते हैं। द टर्म स्ट्रक्चर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड स्ट्रक्चर। दिस इज मीन्स टू बिल्ड। मीनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड बिल्डिंग समथिंग. Structure refer to a ordered arrangement of a parts or components, inner arrangement, composition or organization of the building. As societies organize collectively, the interaction and behavior of the members and stable and pattern. This stable and pattern interaction of people called social structure. Basic concept of सोसाइटी, कम्युनिटी, एसोसिएशन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन। तो पहले हम सोसाइटी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सोसाइटी इज़ द लाइक अ सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इट इज़ ए सिमिलर एज सोशल रिलेशनशिप. ह्यूमन सोसाइटी इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ पीपल. इट हैज़ कंट्रोल द बिहेवियर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. इट हैज़ ए सिमिलैरिटीज. And differences, and each society has its own way of life is called culture. Society has a system of relations. It has its own structure which fulfill function and contributes. अब पढ़ेंगे हम कम्युनिटी. कम्युनिटी इज a group of collection of groups that inhabit the common locality. It is a group of people who begins to reign in a definite territory. Community is something where people share their economic, social and cultural life and belong to a particular area where you have a common social life with people, with group of people. अब बात करते हैं एसोसिएशन की. एसोसिएशन a group of people coming together with a specific person in mid certain aims and goals. Once the objectives are achieved, association may not continue with activities. These are the formal relationships which are of short duration. Institution. When people are in routine or on a everyday basis, living life, most of knowing and or unknowingly follow certain rules. The practice of living itself follows certain norms. The way in which people act on the basis of rules or norms. The following ongoing practice are its called institution. Social process. A society is the system of social relationship. The social relationship were studied by the kind of mode of interaction that they exhibit. The various kind of interaction modes are called social process. Next है definition. The term social process refer to the repetitive form of behavior which are commonly found in social life. According to Horton and Hunt, forms of social process. The society contains hundreds of socially defined relationships. अगर आपको इसका PDF चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक दे रखा है. अब नेक्स्ट है सोशल रिलेशनशिप, क्लासिफाइड एज अ जनरल टाइप्स एंड डिस्कस्ड इन टर्म ऑफ काइंड ऑफ इंटरेक्शन कॉल्ड सोशल प्रोसेस. अब पढ़ेंगे कोऑपरेशन के बारे में. इट इज़ द मोस्ट बेसिक एंड कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. कोऑपरेशन derived from Latin word co means together and operation means work. It means joint work or working together for common rewards. Competition and opposition. It can be defined as a struggle against another. Opposition is divided into competition and conflict. Competition is a less violent form of opposition in which two or more persons or groups struggle to achieve some end of goals. It is of various types like social, political and cultural compositions. Conflict. This conflict is a ever present process in human relationship. Conflict takes place whenever a person or a group seeks to gain a reward not by suppressing another competitor but then pretend them for effectively. It is a universal and conscious action. Social group. Social group is defined as an aggregate of individual which persistent in time, which has one or more interact and activities in common, and which is organized according to Greek. Types of social group. There are various types of social groups: involuntary and voluntary groups, institutional, permanent and non-permanent, institutional, temporary, horizontal and vertical groups, formal and informal groups, genetic and cognitive groups, territorial and non-territorial groups. सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे involuntary and voluntary groups. Involuntary groups include family, community, state, caste, etc. Voluntary groups: youth association, political party, religious association, and trade union. Institutional, permanent, and non-institutional, temporary. In this institutional group are permanent. These include school, caste, etc. Non-institutional groups are most temporary. It include public, audience, crowd, etc. Formal and informal groups. In the formal groups, memberships is defined and entry is made under the written rules and regulations. Informal groups, in the membership is not well defined and individual can enter leave the group as per their wishes. Genetic and cognitive groups. Genetic groups are involuntary in nature and the person are born in them. For example, political parties and trade union. Difference between society and community. Aspects: society and community. Diversity, objects and interact, nature, shape, likeliness and conflict. Society: high, more extensive, absent, sharpless, exist side by side. Low, community: less expensive, concrete, defined shape, efforts take to avoid the problems. Social change, most important question. Introduction. Change in every present phenomena, everywhere. Change is the law of nature, is never at the rest. It is a changeful. Change is an ongoing process. Social change has also occurred in all society and all the times. Meaning, the term social change is used to be indicate the change that take place in human interaction and interrelationship. Social change obviously means a changes in system social relationship. Nature of social change. Social change is said to be environment that might take place within the specific geographical area or physical structure and cultural context. Social change is said to be a human change in which the composition of society is not constant but keeps changing. Social change may be planned and unplanned the direction, and social change are often conditioned by human engineering. Process of social change. The phenomena of social change is not simple but complex. It is difficult to understand this phenomena. It can be explained stepwise, like it starts with the change in attitude in individuals, change in the thought pattern in individual, and change in social interaction. Role of nurse in social change. The role of community health nurse is to accomplish the health role by promoting and introducing the change in impulse, like a nurse can improve the community silence with the help of own resources such as developing expertise, utilizing the opportunities to promote individual safe stream. Structure of urban and rural and tribal community. Structure of urban community. The pattern of growth of classically can be best understood in the term of five zones. The central business district, zone in transportation, The zone of independent working means zone for better residence, the communicators zones. Characteristics of urban communities: social heterogeneity, moderate social context, moderate control, voluntary association, lack of communal feeling. डायनेमिक लाइफ यानी डायनेमिक का मतलब होता है चेंज होती रहती है. Structure of rural community. There are few specific aspects which occupy a vital place in rural communities. Family in the community hence gain higher importance if individual in the family having the different playing ones at install that in the it begins greater information to entire community. Google social structure consists of all the aspects such as economical, social and political institutions. Characteristics of rural community. It is the homogeneous in nature. Slow means of communication. Have strong relationship interaction. There is a less rate of population. Show gain facilities. Slow rate of changes. Structure of tribal community. Social structure of tribal communities include gender, religion, tribal leadership, marriage, economical system and family in tribal area. Characteristics of tribal community. Tribal people live within a definite photo gathering and it's a common place for all members of a particular that region. Sense of unity, endogenous group, protection awareness, types of blood relationship, common culture, common language. Major health problem in tribal and rural and urban area. Tribal people suffer majority from malaria, leprosy, weight of children, hypertension, high maternal and infant mortality. In rural areas, the major health issues include parasites causing respiratory problems, snake poisoning, mechanical accidents. In urban area, the major health issues include disease related to coagulate water, non-communicable disease like cardiovascular, cancer, diabetes and respiratory. Importance of social structure in nursing profession. Understanding of society is essential for everyone, not only the concept social structure but also the basic understanding of society is also beneficial to the people in all professions so that they can move sensitive towards the problem of society at large scale. To understand the patient, its family member beliefs and customs, it is for a nurse to understand. It is important for a nurse to understand the beliefs as well as the custom of patient and their family members so that the nurse can provide the instruction to their accordingly. To know the economic background of the patient, as nurse can render health teaching on the basics of economic status, as the low economic individual cannot afford money to buy the source which is costly. The nurse can teach and report to the health care facilities based on their economic status. तो ये था आपका कंप्लीट सेकेंड यूनिट. और अगर आपको पीडीएफ में चाहिए, पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट, तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी आपको. एंड अगर आपको नेक्स्ट किसी भी और सब्जेक्ट के लिए नोट्स चाहिए तो मेरे को आप कमेंट कर देना, मैं अपलोड कर दूँगी. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.